beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I'm feeling so sunshiny and bright today. Can you tell? Do we live, darlings? Do we love? Simple makeup, simple ponytail, and elaborate earrings. Why not? I got this sweatshirt from H&M. I love it. Just the smiley, happy face emoji. This is me. This is Adrian. This is how we are in this house. Just happy, happy. And then I got these earrings. As a matter of fact, I think Christina gave me these as a present from Zara. Yes, my darlings. And then I just have this fun ponytail, which I just love. Just an extra zhazh. You know what I mean? How are you, my darlings? How is life treating you? Today's sister to sister is kind of interesting, and I can already feel a divide that's going to happen in the comments. I was scrolling through my beautiful shade room when this came up and they asked for our opinion. Here we go. Just broke up with my boyfriend of 3 years because he told me he's getting full custody of his 3 kids. I can't imagine coming home to 3 kids that are not mine every day. You know what broke my heart? It was the 3 kids that are not mine. I don't know what kind of person I am. Sometimes I have to question and ask myself, because I don't see children that way, never did. A child is a child. And sometimes when things happen and a parent is not able to step up and look after those kids, God has a wonderful way of appointing a foster parent, appointing another parent to take care of those kids. I respect her for calling it like it is. I can't do it. That's what she said. I respect her for that. I would prefer that than for her to be resentful and ill-treat the children or take out her frustration out on the children. The children are going through a lot because they are going to now be uprooted from what they knew was normal, regular, routine, to live with their father in a new area, in a new vicinity, new city maybe, new schools. It's a lot for them. I think about Adrian all the time because I always say, God in heaven, please let me stay well, let me stay healthy, let me always be cautious, you know, and make sure I don't put myself in any danger, because I need to take care of Adrian, because Adrian needs me. I'm always cautious of that. And on the flip side, I say, God, if anything happens, let somebody come and take care of Adrian. You cannot understand the conversations Christina and I have had. I'll take care of yours. I'll take care of yours. I want to cry because it's so touching now that I see stuff like this. I'll always take care of yours. I'll always take care of yours for me. So, you know, it gives me a little bit of comfort, because there are women out there that are not up to the task. My only query here, you had this boyfriend for 3 years. Did you intend to marry him? Did you not know that he had children? Did you not think that you might co-parent alongside the mother? Did you not think at any stage that these children would play an active role, or the father, your boyfriend, would play an active role in their lives? It's a big question mark for you. Do you want children? That's another question. You see, here's the thing. These are questions. These are the discussions that you should ask before you start a relationship. Because this girl feels so justified. She's borderline annoyed that the children are coming to come and stay with the father full time, and that she will have to be going back and forth. Oh, no, she didn't sign up for that. I just want your daddy. That's all I want. Like, you never discussed anything about his 3 children, their names, their ages. Are they 3 boys? Is it 3 girls? Is it 2 boys, 1 girl? Is it 2 girls, 1 boy? You never discussed any of this. You never, in 3 years, 365 days in a year times 3, this never came up. What kind of relationships are out there in these streets? That's what I'm asking. And girl, you know, you better be ready. Because if you want kids, and this is how you feel about other people's kids, trust and believe this is how they're going to feel about yours. There's a thing where God rearranges our seats so that you sit in a humble sofa for a minute and you reflect. I respect the honesty, because you can't force somebody to be what they're not. For me, I'm a mama. I was a mama before I was a mama. Like you very well know, Ula and I married later in life. If Ula had children, absolutely. Absolutely. And I would have gone out of my way to co-parent with their mother. Their mother is their mother. They can't call me mom because that's their mom. And of course, I love Ula, and Ula and I would have discussed this. Oh, of course. So that we know where everybody's at. So that I would say, ooh, I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it from the gate. For me, it's just hurtful. You want me, but you don't want my kids. I don't know. I don't know. It's, I was reading some of the comments also. They said no. This just proves she doesn't love him. You knew you were dating a man with 3 kids. Suppose the mother passes away. Where did she expect his children to go? Haha. You're dating someone with kids, then you need to love them like your own, whether it's 1, 2, or 5. And your men need to take more time choosing to be with women who show interest in your children. These are questions you should ask while dating before jumping into a relationship. Just a pure waste of time. She didn't love you or your kids. It's simple. Should have been sure her standpoint on your children before making her your girlfriend. I agree. I agree. If she loved you, oh, she'll try. If she loved you, she would try. The next one says, she never said she didn't want the kids around or could handle the kids being around. He's getting full custody, meaning they will be there every day, all day for their entire lives. If she can't handle that, she made the right decision by leaving. How you're mad at her? That's not something light. That the kids will be there all day, every day. Where are the kids supposed to go? You forget you were a kid too. You know, I have the greatest love and respect for my mom. Ula's mom too, honestly. For moms that did it back in the day when it was much harder. And they did it really on very little. You just raised 3 kids to be wonderful human beings. And it's something that these kids can't do. I don't know. I don't know. As far as I am concerned, for me, it's very, 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 very convenient for her. I don't want to do this, and I'm out of here. And how the hell did he think I'm going to be here raising 3 children? I'm not doing it. Let me not be too judgmental in the sense that I don't think there was even a discussion. I just think the mentality of just having 3 children, I'm just not trying to do it. I'm a girlfriend. You can help out. That's another thing. I really don't understand the relationship she had with this guy. Like, you don't want them in his house at all. That you don't want to help to drop them off at school sometimes or whatever. Because any father, as a matter of fact, I'm going to take that back. Any single parent, I bow to you. I bow to you. It's not easy. This is why God made 2 parents and a child. I see why he did it. He really thought about it, because there should always be 2 parents in a child's life. How much more having multiples? I don't think there's any parent that can do it on his own or her own. I have friends that are single mothers. My heart bleeds for them. I do as much as I can for them. This guy is going to have his 3 children and he's going to need help. And all of a sudden, girlfriend of 3 years, she can't do it. In a way, it's a blessing, because the girlfriend can walk away as opposed to now having to divorce her, because you would have married her only to find out she can't do this. Not at all. Guys, you have to really overlook the pretty face sometimes, and the cute bum bum and the small waist. You have to look for a partner. You have to look for a partner in life, in all aspects of your life, because it's not for the good and the pretty. It's for the hard times. It's for the unexpected times. It's the one that comes around on a Tuesday afternoon that you did not foresee. You want somebody that will be there to support you in everything. You don't need that hot babe with the fabulous legs and all of that, because evidently she can't do anything for you. That's what this is all about. The good girl, the good times, yeah, she's there. But for her to say, let me hustle and grind. Let me see if you can get a nanny. You know what, John, don't worry. Let me come and start looking at schools. What are we looking at? Public schools, private schools? Let's dress up this room for the 2 boys, and then let's dress up this room for the girl. None of that. None of that. But you don't want Susan down the street who will cook you that pumpkin pie, who will do all of this. You want the other hot sis over there doing this, but she's not here trying to love you. She's not trying to love anything from you, by you. How about that? Isn't it sad though? This is why, girls, you need to protect all of your energy, all of your stance, and really interview these guys. Find out the backstory about the children. Find out the backstory about the wife, because we don't know whether she's lost custody because she's going into prison, or that she is not maybe mentally healthy or whatever. It can be a slew of things, or she just don't want the kids, or maybe he fought to get the kids from her because he felt that she was not capable. Who's to say? But look at you now. Your wife is not able to, for whatever reason, because she had them before. How about that your girlfriend right here said, I don't want them. Point blank, period. I don't want them. Darlings, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and you let me know down in the comments what you think. All right? All of my love, darlings. I'll see you very soon. Mwah.